this is the last Forex strategy that you shall need. We shall be having a breakdown on the British pound, Canadian dollar, and this entry was taken during the active times of the market, the New York session, and I'll be showing you my secret entries on the 1 minute. Comment yes if you would trade like this. So first, if you look at this chart, we are going to identify this breakout from this rally to the upside. You're seeing that the market gave us this rally to the upside, creating new highs here. So at this time here, the market gave us this impulse to the downside, and that impulse to the downside is creating a new low here, showing us that the market is pushing downwards. Then here we get a pullback, and that pullback is retesting previous zones of resistance. So we are having point of resistance at this point, and we are having a retest at this point. To confirm our trend, to confirm our downtrend, we shall identify this low here, and we are going to connect these two touching points for visual experience, and this one, and we draw it from here up to there. So this is giving us our visual representation of our downtrend. If you're to do like this, so we are having our visual representation of our downtrend. So we are having our retest at this point. This is our area of confluence. So at that point, we are going to take our sales here. Stop loss is going to be above the resistance here, above the trend line. For the take profit, we shall look left to look for previous zones of support. So at this point, we are having that zone of support around that point. So that zone of support is going to act as our take profit. We drag. So we are risking around 4 pips to make 15 pips. Comment yes if you could trade like this. And to learn more of these concepts, check out our ebook. The link would be left in the description. See you in the next video.